The moon has captivated humanity for millennia. Its presence in the night sky has been a source of wonder and inspiration, influencing cultures and civilizations throughout history. It hangs in our night sky, a celestial companion to our world, guiding us through the darkness and marking the passage of time with its phases. Its silvery glow inspires poets and dreamers, casting a magical light that transforms the landscape and stirs the imagination. Yet for all its familiarity, the moon harbors mysteries that continue to intrigue scientists and explorers alike. One such enigma lies on its far side, hidden from our direct view, the South Pole Aitken Basin, a colossal impact crater. This vast region is more than just a crater, it's a window into the moon's ancient past. It's a scar, a testament to a cataclysmic event billions of years ago, offering clues about the early solar system. Studying the basin is crucial to understanding the moon's formation and evolution, providing insights that could reshape our knowledge of planetary science. It also holds the key to vital resources, such as water ice, that could shape the future of space exploration and support human missions beyond Earth. The South Pole Aitken Basin is a colossal feature on the lunar surface, one of the largest known impact craters in our solar system. Imagine a crater so large it could swallow up half of the United States. This gives you an idea of its immense scale. That's how big this basin is. It's a vast expanse that stretches across the moon's surface. Its diameter stretches over 2,500 kilometers and it plunges deep into the moon's crust, reaching depths of up to 8 kilometers. This immense scar was formed by a powerful impact early in the moon's history, billions of years ago. A massive object, perhaps an asteroid or a comet, slammed into the lunar surface with incredible force. The energy released in this collision was unimaginable, leaving behind this colossal basin we see today, a testament to the moon's violent past. The South Pole Aitken Basin presents significant challenges for exploration. Its immense size creates extreme variations in terrain. Towering mountains cast long shadows across the landscape. Deep craters remain cloaked in perpetual darkness. Temperature extremes pose another danger. Sunlight rarely reaches the basin's floor, resulting in frigid temperatures that plummet far below freezing. These harsh conditions make the South Pole Aitken Basin one of the most dangerous places on the moon. Section 4, Frozen Secrets, Water Ice and Future Exploration. Despite the dangers, the South Pole Aitken Basin holds immense promise for future lunar exploration. One of the most exciting discoveries is the presence of water ice hidden within the permanently shadowed craters. This water ice is a game changer. It represents a vital resource for future lunar missions. Water can be used for drinking, of course, but it can also be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen, providing breathable air and even rocket fuel. Section 5. Unlocking Lunar History, a window to the past. The South Pole Aitken Basin is not just a source of potential resources, it is one of the largest and oldest impact basins in the solar system, stretching over 2,500 kilometers in diameter and reaching depths of up to 8 kilometers. It's also a time capsule, offering a glimpse into the moon's violent past. The basin's formation dates back over 4 billion years, providing a unique record of the early solar system. The impact that created the basin excavated material from deep within the lunar interior. This material, now scattered across the basin, holds clues to the moon's geological history. By studying this material, scientists can learn about the moon's composition and how it formed billions of years ago. These studies can also shed light on the processes that shaped other rocky bodies in our solar system. Upcoming missions like NASA's Artemis program and China's Chang'e missions aim to explore the South Pole Aitken Basin in greater detail. These missions are equipped with advanced technology to analyze the basin's unique features. These missions will send rovers and eventually humans to this enigmatic region. The data collected will be invaluable for future lunar exploration and potential colonization. They will collect samples, study the water ice, and unlock the secrets held within this ancient lunar scar. The presence of water ice could be crucial for sustaining future lunar bases. The South Pole Aitken Basin is a testament to the enduring power of cosmic events and a beacon for the future of human exploration. Its mysteries continue to inspire scientists and explorers alike, driving humanity's quest to understand our place in the universe.